In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or turn on Generate Link Previews on Signal. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, navigate to the three vertical dots and tap on it. Once done, tap on Settings. In your settings, tap on Chats. At the very top of your chat settings, you should see Generate Link Previews. For me, it's currently toggled on. This means when I send a link in a chat, Signal will retrieve link previews directly from websites for those messages. If I toggle this off, when I send messages with links, I no longer will see link previews. Let's test that. So I'm just going to tap the back arrow here and tap the back arrow again. I'm going to tap on the chat that says Note to Self. And then as you can see previously, I sent a link in a chat to Note to Self and it generated a link preview. I'm going to send the same link in the chat now. So I'm going to copy the link by tapping on the message and holding, and then I'm going to tap on copy. The link is now copied to my clipboard. If I tap on Signal message here at the bottom to send a message and then tap and hold, I'll have the option to paste. So I'm going to tap on paste to paste the link, and then I'm going to send the message. And there we go. There's no link preview sent. And that means we have successfully turned off Generate Link Previews on Signal. If you want to turn it back on, just toggle back on the toggle. And that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed the video, give this video a like. If you want to support me on my channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let